Hello my dear friends, welcome back again. For those who are watching me for the first time, my name is Dan Junior FX, and today I'm going to explain to you how market structure work from higher time frame to the medium time frame. Please, if you are watching for the first time, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's push at least up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Let's look at Euro USD. Okay, as you can see, Euro USD it's moving down. Okay, but before that, rule number one, you need to start with a higher time frame. Okay, and you need to look where the market is moving. Okay, so let's together mark the breakout structure. Okay, so I can see above here, before above here there's a breakout structure here. Okay, breakout structure, let's mark together. Okay, and again there's another breakout structure somewhere here. As you can remember, we are on higher time frame, okay, which is a daily bias. Again, there's another breakout structure, as you can see, my dear friends. Okay, can you see there's a breakout structure? So what the market did here, break this structure. Okay, can you see? And then it started moving down. So together, let's mark our daily high and daily low. So for me, this will be our daily low. Okay, so let's mark together. And again, let's mark together our daily high. Okay, so above here we have our daily high. Our daily high. And okay, so guys, let me tell you one thing. Okay, the market at the first time it's break this equal high. After breaking this equal high, swept some liquidity, and then it started moving down to facilitate this low. Okay, so this will be our daily low, and above here it will be our daily high. Remember, anything inside here, it's called internal. Okay, anything inside this box is called internal. Okay, let me mark for you so that you can see well. Okay, so anything this box, it's called internal. When it break daily low, okay, so it means that the market is what, the market is shifting. Okay, but let's look again. So inside this internal structure, so the market break here. Okay, so again it's break another high somewhere here, as you can see, and again down here this will be our internal change of character. Okay, the market shifted, so this will be our internal change of character or internal market shift. Okay, change of character. This is the rule number one. According to me, as you can see, the market break this high. Okay, so grab some liquidity, and again it started moving down to facilitate this low. Okay, so according to my opinion, okay, you know, if you understand about liquidity, okay, market must sweep liquidity to continue moving upward. And as you know, market will never move just in one direction like that. Okay, it will move down, a little pullback, and again move down, a little pullback, like that. Market will never move just in one direction. Okay, so according to me, below this daily low, the market might grab some liquidity. Okay, and again it started moving up. Okay, so rule number two, after daily bars, you need to shift to 4 hours time frame. Okay, to mark 4 hours time frame point of interest. Okay, all right, so let's shift to 4 hours time frame again. My dear friends, listen to me. Okay, if you are struggling on forex trading, okay, if you are losing money every time, you can join DNJ Academy with only $120. Remember, if you don't have all money, you can start with a installment of $60, and then you finish your payment after 2 to 3 weeks of learning. Welcome to DNJ Academy. Link are on description. These are 4 hours time frame, and as you can see, still overall the market is moving down even on 4 hours time frame, as you can see. Okay, so let's mark together. So what happened here, my dear friends? As you can see, the market break this 4 hours time frame inside, okay, this zone. So these are breakout structure, and again there's another breakout structure down here. So these are internal breakout structure. We are marking internal breakout structure. Okay, so let's name it internal breakout structure. Okay, and again there's another internal breakout structure somewhere down there. Okay, all right, so what you need to do right now, we need to focus on currents. Okay, we can't focus on past or future, we focus on current. When you focus on past, of course automatically you lose. Okay, you need to focus on what is happening right now. Okay, so together let's mark our 4 hours equal high. So this will be our 4 hours equal high. Okay, my dear friends, or 4 hours swing high, and down here below here it will be our 4 hours swing low. Okay, so this will be our 4 hours swing low, and above here we have our 4 hours swing high. So if I will place my Fibonacci, so let's look what is happening right now. So from 4 hours swing high to the 4 hours swing low, so right now market is on a discount. When the market is on discount, it's very cheap. When the market is cheap, we look opportunity for a buy, and when the market is expensive on premium, we look opportunity for a sale. Okay, right? Nice one. So let's mark our point of interest again above here. We have this, the first point of interest, as you can see. Okay, and again there's another point of interest, okay, which is a supply zone where the market reacted, as you can see. Okay, this is where the market reacted. And again there's another point of interest. Okay, there's another supply zone somewhere there. Okay, so as you can see here, what the market did here, let me zoom for you so that you can see. Okay, you can even move to 4 hours, 1 hour time frame. Okay, which is a medium time frame. Let me remove that. So as you can see, let's mark together again demand zone. Okay, I can see there's another demand zone somewhere here. Can you see this? This will be our first demand zone, right? So what the market did here, okay, before that, let's shift to 1 hour time frame again. Okay, that is rule number 3. Remember, rule number 1, you start with a higher time frame, you look for the market direction. Rule number 2, you shift to 4 hours time frame, you mark your point of interest, and you shift to 1 hour time frame to mark further a point of interest. Okay, so what I can see here, guys, okay, on 1 hour time frame, there's a break off, there's a market shift, as you can see. Okay, there's a market shift here. So market change, there's a change of character, as you can see, there's a change of character. So let's mark just briefly, this will be our 4 hours demand zone, and let's mark again a 1 hour demand zone. Okay, so down here, these are 1 hour demand zone. So price is almost to this zone. Okay, so let me remove this name and let me remove it. Okay, so as you can see here, what the market did here, my dear friends. Okay, the market reacted from this first zone. As you know, here we have this will be our first zone, second zone, and here we have third zone. So this will be zone A. Let's name it. This will be what? This will be what? This will be zone A, and here we have a zone B, and here we have zone C. Okay, before market came to zone C, we know we can't enter a buy or a sell when the price are at the middle. If I place my Fibonacci, as you can see here, okay, from 4 hours swing high to the 4 hours swing low. So zone C is the middle, zone C is the point, and when the price are at the middle, we don't do anything. We don't buy or we don't sell. Okay, so we need to be patient. Either we need to wait institutional to push price to come down to this discount, or either to push up there. So this is the area where we need to look opportunity for a sale, or this is the area where you need to look opportunity for a buy. We have 2 scenarios here. Okay, right? Nice one. So when the market are at the discount, we need to look opportunity for a buy, because at discount market is very cheap. When the price is shift, we need to look opportunity for a buy. So this will be our 1 hour supply zone. So what you need to do, we need to move to lower time frame, okay, for execution, which is 15 minutes. So let's together move to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, my dear friends. So as you can see, these are 15 minutes. Again, you can also mark a 15 minutes demand zone down there. So this is the area where I'm expecting. Let me remove this Fibonacci. Okay, so what you need to do, my dear friends, you need to wait price to react. Okay, to come to this zone, you need to be patient. Okay, you know, as I said, you need to be patient enough when the institutional push this price to come to this zone, to come down there, and then it changed character. You move to 5 minutes, it changed character, and then came to this flip zone. This is the area where I'll look opportunity for a buy. Okay, and then I will target again this zone, because you don't know what might happen. Okay, but if my idea fail, okay, if my idea will be invalid, I will expect at least moving down and break a 4 hour swing low. Of course, I will look opportunity for a sell. If the price break this 4 hours swing low, I will look for a pullback, maybe around somewhere there, and then I will look opportunity for a sell. That's my expectation if my idea is invalid, or if this demand zone is invalid. Okay, so let's move to 50 minutes. So this is the area where I will look opportunity for a buy again on Euro USD, and then I will place my stop loss below this zone, and then I will target I will not target above this zone. Okay, I will not target above there on zone A. I will target just somewhere here. Okay, yeah, this is just my idea. Okay, you know, these are how many pips? These 127 pips. Okay, yeah, within 1 day or 2 days the market might come and then boom, smash your TP. That's my expectation on Euro USD. Remember what I told you. Rule number one, you need to start with a higher time frame. You need to look where the price is heading or where the price is moving. And again, rule number two, you need to move to medium time frame. You mark point of interest, okay, break off structure inside internal structure. And again, you move even to further to 1 hour time frame. You mark your point of interest, okay. And again, you move to 15 minutes, okay. You look opportunity for a buy on 15 minutes, okay. Even if, sorry, I forget to mark something here. So above here, this will be my 1 hour high, okay. This will be my 1 hour high, okay, as you can see. So let's name it 1 hour swing high, okay. So this will be my 1 hour swing high, okay. So I will also target this 1 hour swing high. So guys, as you can see, this is my trading journal templates, okay. This is how actually I journal my trades. You know, it's good to journal your trades, okay. So as you can see, this is a trade I took on February the 26th. As you can see here, I took a long, it's a short on Euro USD, okay, the 26th on February. And then this was my entry, and this is what I won, okay. I won $4K dollar, as you can see, and emotion waited for mitigation. And again, on day 27, the following day, I think it was on Thursday or on Friday. I think it was on Friday. You see, Euro USD, again, I won $2,100. It was a short, same, waited for supply mitigated, okay. So as you can see, again on date 4, I think it was maybe on Tuesday or Monday, it was on March, okay. So again, I took trade on Euro USD. I won $2,108, which long, okay. So waited for demand mitigation. So on date 5, still on March, and date 10, I lost 2 trades in a row, okay. But finally, again on date 13, as you can see, these are gold, okay. I won gold 5K, it was a long. And then on date 16, I lost Euro USD, okay. And this was date 17, okay. I won 5K, $5,120. It was a long. But finally, yesterday, I lost on GJ, okay. I lost on GJ, but I lost how much? $344. You see, so I only lost 2 trades in a row, but I won, I think it was 5 or 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I lost 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So you see, when you lost, you need to lose small amount of money, but when you win, you need to win a lot of money. For example, mostly I use 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Can you see? If I lost small. If I win big. Okay, simple as that. Okay, thank you very much for those who watch this video up to the end, and also remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and also remember to share my channel with your friends. Okay, again, if you want to join DNJ Academy, if you want to learn all of this concept, okay, I only charge $120. Remember, if you don't have all money, you can start with an installment of $60, and then you finish your payment after 2 to 3 weeks of learning. Okay, simple as that. Okay, when you finish your school, you'll get a certificate, okay, from DNJ Academy. Welcome anytime, and welcome anytime you feel. Okay, DNJ is the home of many traders. Okay, thank you very much for your support.